the exhilarating realm of cryptocurrencies, a unique project named Chainlink emerged, casting a bright light on the potential of blockchain technology. Chainlink is not your typical cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized oracle network. It's the bridge that connects blockchain technology to real-world data. Picture a reality where smart contracts, those self-fulfilling agreements on the blockchain, can seamlessly interact with real-world events and data. At the core of Chainlink is its native cryptocurrency, Link. But it's not just a currency for transactions. Chainlink provides an ingenious solution to a major challenge in the blockchain landscape, securely and reliably linking smart contracts with external data sources. Think about this. Smart contracts are akin to self-operating machines, completely dependent on the data they're fed. But what if they need information from the outside world, like the price of a commodity or the result of a sports event? This is where Chainlink takes the stage. The decentralized oracle network of Chainlink serves as a bridge. It gathers data from multiple sources, validates its authenticity through a network of nodes, and feeds it to smart contracts across various blockchains. This ensures that data driving smart contracts is accurate, unalterable, and immune to manipulation. The potential applications for Chainlink are extensive and varied. From decentralized finance applications requiring real-time price feeds, to insurance contracts needing weather data for payouts, Chainlink makes it possible to create smart contracts that can meaningfully interact with the real world. Why would anyone want to buy Chainlink? Firstly, owning Link tokens gives you a stake in the decentralized oracle network. As the need for reliable blockchain data increases, so does the utility and value of Link tokens. Moreover, Chainlink's vibrant ecosystem of developers and partnerships indicates its potential to become the standard for decentralized oracles. This makes it an appealing investment for those wishing to support innovation in the blockchain industry. In an era where trust and dependability are vital, Chainlink stands out as a crucial piece of infrastructure, enabling smart contracts to reach their full potential. And for those who understand the significance of securely connecting the digital and physical worlds, investing in Chainlink isn't just about purchasing a cryptocurrency. It's about helping build the foundation for a more interconnected and decentralized future.